Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Preeti Divyani, and today in this video we are going to prove Fourier's integral formula. Okay, so basically we are going to prove the complex or exponential form of Fourier integral formula. Okay, so let's see the proof. As you see, the formula is fx is equals to 1 upon 2 pi integral over minus infinity to plus infinity f of u in bracket integral over minus infinity to plus infinity exponential e to the power I under bracket u minus x into x ds du. Okay, this is the basic formula. So I have written some language before that the proof. So language is, let fx be a function satisfying Dirichlet's condition. Okay, so here we are going to suppose that fx be that kind of function which satisfies the Dirichlet's condition. So if you want me to make this video on Dirichlet's condition, what is Dirichlet condition for Fourier, so comment down below, let me know. Let fx be a function satisfying Dirichlet's conditions in every finite interval minus L to plus L. Okay, and defined as half of f of x plus 0 plus half of x minus 0 at every point of discontinuity, and fx is absolutely integrable in minus infinity to plus infinity. Then we know that fx is equals to 1 by pi, okay, minus infinity to plus infinity f of u bracket 0 to infinity cos of s x minus u ds du. So this is basically the general form of Fourier integral formula. Okay, for we are going to change this in the complex one. Now changing the order of integration, we get 1 by pi. This is going to be 0 to infinity. We are going to just change the order. We have to write this in place of this in place of this. Okay, 0 to pi, put the bracket here, minus infinity to infinity plus infinity f of u cos s x minus u du ds. Okay, we just change the order of integration. After that, just watch carefully. F of u, you can also write cos s x minus u e to the power I s x minus u plus e to the power minus I s x minus u. Okay, you know this? This is the formula. Okay, now we are going to just split this integral by adding two integral. Just see carefully, very easy. 1 by, so this 2 is now here, multiplied by pi, 1 by 2 pi 0 to infinity exponential to the power I s x, put a curl bracket, exponential minus infinity to infinity f of u e to the power minus I s u du, put the bracket close, ds plus half 1 by 2 pi 0 to pi e to the power minus s x minus infinity to plus infinity f of u e to the power I s u du ds. So we just split this integral. Let's see, 2 is getting multiplied by this pi, so this is 1 by 2 pi 0 to infinity. This is going to be splitted like e to the power I s x. Okay, again putting the integral minus infinity to infinity f of u e to the power I s minus u. Okay, we just multiply this whole thing, then ds. Again put the plus sign here, again 1 by 2 pi 0 to infinity e to the power minus sxx, okay, minus infinity to infinity f of u e to the power isu du ds, okay. After that, substituting s is equals to minus y and ds is equals to minus dy in first integral only, okay, in first part of integral. Now we get fx is equals to 1 upon 2 pi 0 to infinity e to the power, we just going to put s is equals to minus 5 only in first integral, that means this integral. This is going to be I y x curl bracket minus infinity to plus infinity f of u e to the power s is equals to minus y, minus minus plus. This means I y u du, in place of ds we can write minus dy, put in bracket, okay. Now write the whole thing as it is, plus 1 by 2 pi 0 to infinity e to the power minus isx minus infinity to plus infinity f of u e to the power isu du ds. Now, so we get just minus sign in front of this integral. To avoid this minus sign, we are going to change the limits. You know this property of integral, that if we change the upper limit to the lower limit and lower limit to the upper limit, the sign of the integral get changed. Like, sorry, when I put x is equals to minus 5, the limit becomes minus infinity here, okay. If you put s is equals to 0, y is 0. If we put s is equals to infinity, y is equals to minus infinity. So the upper limit of this integral get changed. Now we are going to change the upper limit to the lower limit to the upper limit. So see, minus infinity to 0. By changing this limit, the minus sign is get changed. It will become plus sign. E to the power minus iyx minus infinity to infinity f of u e to the power iyu du dy plus 1 by 2 pi 0 to infinity e to the power minus ss minus infinity to infinity f of u e to the power isu du ds. Now, so it doesn't matter if you write y or if you write s here, it doesn't matter, it remains same. So we just write s in place of y, nothing get changed. Minus infinity to 0 e to the power I sx minus infinity to plus infinity f of u e to the power I su du ds plus 1 by 2 pi 0 to infinity e to the power minus sx. Second integral will be same, f of u e to the power su du ds. As you can see, this term and these terms are almost common in both of the integral. And if you see the integral minus infinity to 0, and here is 0 to infinity, and there is addition sign, so we are going to add the integral, okay. So this will become fx is equals to 1 upon 2 pi, because in both integral this term is common, 1 upon 2y. Integral is minus infinity to plus infinity, okay. We are going to add the both the integral. It will become e to the power minus sx integral minus infinity to infinity f of u e to the power isu du ds. Now our answer is going to be this. So now we can write fx is equals to 1 upon 2y, okay, minus infinity to infinity. We just keep this f of u outside, put the square bracket, minus infinity to infinity, e to the power I, take I and s common in both, we get u minus x, ds, we just put this operator in, ds and du out. So this is going to be our Fourier integral theorem. This is the proof of Fourier's integral formula. If you have any doubt, please ask me in my Facebook page PD tutorial. Links are given in the description box. And if you have any suggestion regarding any theorem, any proof or any topic you want me to deal with it, so just let me know in the comment section. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.